Luke here with the Outdoor Boys YouTube channel, and I'm making a knife in the middle of Alaska's wilderness. I'm going to be sleeping in my own shelter, building a forge out in the woods, making my own charcoal kiln, and forging a knife from scratch. Whew. Oh, that smells amazing. I got a big slab of soft cheese covered in a fig marmalade. Just warmed it up over the fire. Got it already pre-cut into little cubes. Got a nice Italian salami. There we go. Warm cheese, little salami, some fig sauce. Burning great. I was thinking how I want to replace this with a metal handle. All right, it'll still work. It's just gonna be a lot more work. Sure, on fire at least once. Let's see how these moose ribs are doing. If you want to know if they're done, you squeeze the end, and if the meat's pulled off the end of the bone, then you know they're done. Oh, I like moose ribs. Oh.